Okay, today we'll see the keyframe animation, all right, in Adobe Premiere, how you can animate things in Adobe Premiere. So what we will do, first of all, you will go to File menu, all right, then New Sequence. So we will be creating for YouTube. So just click OK, then new sequence will be created for you, all right. Now we have new sequence. So you need some data to be imported. So I will right click and import, and I will import any video. For example, this video I have imported here. You can just drag this one to here. So that video will be dragged to your monitor like this. Alright. And now it's time to write a text because I want to animate text as well. You can animate videos, text, alright, and footages or images. Everything you want to animate, you can animate. First of all, if you want to change its properties of that clip, like transformation properties you want to change, yes, you need to click on that clip first of all, then go to Effect Controls. This Effect Controls panel is very important related to this clip properties. What we can do with this clip, we have here video effects, we have here opacity and time remapping as well. So what we can do in video effects, first of all, you have position. You can change the position of this clip, first of all, right, from here, left and right, up and down. Then you can change also the scale of this footage like this. If you want to change scale means zoom, like the size of that video, you can also change from here, all right. And the third property, here you have one option also which is called uniform scale, all right. You can check and uncheck this one. If it's unchecked, then you can just scale only the one value, all right, and scale width you can do also. But for videos we will not do that. If you want to reset it, just click on this reset icon from here, reset parameters, then it will be reset to original like this. So if you did by mistake, you want to go to first step, just reset from here and just click on uniform scale, then it will show you only one value. Then you can resize that clip easily, all right. Then you have rotation. You can also rotate any image from here or any clip from here, all right. The purpose to explain these properties, we can animate these properties. Then we have also opacity. These four we used a lot. We like position, scale, rotation and opacity. Opacity like this, you can also, opacity means transparency of the video. Like if you want to make any video transparent, you can use opacity. Now we will animate these properties. I will just reset for rotation as well. Now we have this clip, all right. We want to animate these properties. So we want to animate position, we want to animate scale and rotation and opacity. Very easy trick. You have to understand this one. First of all, look at here. In Effect Control panel is also been divided into two sections. We have here the properties in this section, and this section you will see the keyframes, all right, here, and also the slider you will see, all right. And here, as you will move playhead here on controls panel, you will see also it will move over here as well, all right. First thing first, you need to place that cursor from where you want to start animation, all right. For example, from here you want to start animation. Animation means you want to change its position, you want to scale it, right, you want to make it small, all right, or you want to rotate it like this. So if you want any animation, so you need to place that cursor from where you want. For example, when he is just picking hand, I want to zoom that video. So make sure you have placed that one on the same position, and which value you want to change scale. So just you need to do click on that stopwatch icon which is called toggle animation, all right, here. So from here you can change any property into animation by just clicking on that watch icon. When you click here, you will see it will give you one keyframe here. That keyframe means something is going to happen at that frame, all right. So whenever, now till where you want to zoom, just move that cursor till here, all right. So till here, okay, I want to zoom that video, so or I want to increase the scale, just After moving the cursor, just change its value. As you will change its value, automatically it will give you a keyframe or action frame, we can say, right? Now look at here, from here to here the video has been zoomed, look, right? If you play from here, look, when he picking hand, and now you can just, video has been zoomed. Now we want to zoom back again, all right? So how we will do that? Again, once it's done, so till here, from here to here, I want to keep the same value. Just look at the values of the that property. When you click on this keyframe, the property of the scale is 138. When you move here, the value of this scale here is 102. So if you will move here, so here is 142, alright. What I want, till here, I want to reduce it back. So again, just select this one, or you can reset back. So it will be reset to original position. Now you will see one animation has been created. When you play, look, it's zooming and is zooming out as well, like this, right? This effect you can create, zoom in and zoom out.
The last step, how we can make it normal? Sorry, Mr.
Yeah, just reset. Just reset
okay.
From here.
For the last one.
Yeah, when you will reset, it will go to original value. All right. Not only this, if you want to delete any keyframe, just delete. Just select from here. It will delete all. All animation will be deleted from your clip. Now we want, you will understand, we want to animate text. Then you will understand better. So what do we want? Just write a text here. I will just click on type tool and just write text here. So I will write text animation. You can just write here, or any text related to your video, alright, animation. So from here, first of all, I will just increase the size and font and color. If you want to, you can do from here last. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just go to here. So what properties we want to animate? So we have, this time we want to animate opacity property of that.
So
this one.
Related to text.
Transparency. No, every clip you can use. Okay. Alright, these all properties you can use with any clip, like image, video, text, whatever clip you have, you can use with them. Alright. For example, now here I have, just go to here, effect controls, and here you have text opacity. Now it's 100%. If you will change, look, it will change opacity of text like this. I want to animate like this. It should look like this. 100% means 100% is visible. So once you will change, or just need to click here, add or remove keyframe. When you click here, so it will add keyframe here. So you have locked that value of 100% opacity here. And I will make it 0% here like this. Now you can see, you cannot see text here because the opacity value on that keyframe is 0. Now you need to move that playhead little bit forward like this, and here you will see also time is going on, time is also here. Now this time I will make it 100% like this. Now a little animation you have created, just play, look. If you want to increase time between this transition, just click here and just move that frame little bit. Now if you will play, you will see it will give you a transition effect. Alright, and you can also move this one and little bit. I think now it's fine. Now I want also it should go back right after end of that clip text. So from here to here, you want to keep the same value 100%. So you need to click on that, add remove keyframe. When you click on that, so that frame will be added here. Now last you want to make it 0. From here I want, so it should go back, and opacity I will make it 0. So just look at here, on first frame we have opacity 0. Alright, so text is not visible. When you move, now opacity is 100%, you can see your text, and you are moving, and here the value will remain same 100% here. Then from here to here the value will change into 100 to 0.
It's really difficult. You got it?
Yeah. Alright, so animation is keyframe animation.
Can you use again? Sorry,
yeah.
Last thing, sorry.
Okay, it's a keyframe animation we can
I just
use.
Dot. I just
yeah.
with this dot.
Yeah, we will do again on image as well. All right.
Okay.
Now we will import any image. So like this, any image we have. All right. Now we want to animate this image. We want to zoom it. All right, like this. First of all, you need to rescale it. So I will just scale and just fix to the screen like this. You can move this one as well and here a little bit. All right, like this. Now you want to start animation of this. So from where you want to start, just keep that cursor over there. Then click on the scale value from where you want to start. You want to just zoom it.
Yeah.
So which value you want to change? Position, scale, opacity, rotation. Okay. So you have to decide first what you want to do with this image. If you want to change its position, you can change. Okay, this time we will change its position. So from here, I will just in start, I will make it up, for example. So it's like this. So I will move it little bit down. So if you want to start animation, so just click on position first of all, then move your cursor till where you want to end animation, then just move it undo and down like this. So now you have seen, you have from here to here, you have just moved your image down. All right. So in this case, you have animated the properties of the position of an image. All right. So first we have seen on the video clip, then text. All right. If you will move little bit, and here you can see we have first video, and here, right, then you have this image as well, then again video. All right. And at the end here, I want to, you can work same time on all properties as well. So I want to work on opacity as well. So from here, I will click on opacity. So I will take frame from here, add keyframe, and value, keep it 0%. All right. Then move again your cursor a little bit forward and just make it 100% again. All right. Then move your cursor again and just lock this value 100%. All right. Then slowly it will go back to transparent, and from here you can just make it 0. Now you have added this to opacity. Now on the same image clip you have two animation. You have position animation and opacity animation as well. Look. All right. Same. First we have applied on video. Then we have, you will do practice a lot, then you will get to know. It's the hardest part of Adobe Premiere, all right, animation. How to animate text and how to animate video is the hardest part, all right. If you will get into it, then you know Adobe Premiere, all right. Yeah, it's a difficult step, not last step, okay. The animation is the difficult step in Adobe Premiere, especially using keyframe, okay. No problem. When you will do a lot of practice, you will get to know. All right.
Just one question. What's the difference between this box and that box? You cannot
It's the difference from this one and this one. It will show you the keyframes. Here, it's only the timeline.
So I cannot edit from down. No.
No. From here animation. Only you will select the clip, and from this panel you can edit the
animation.
Yeah, animation. Okay. All right. Now we want to animate on shapes as well. So how to get a shape? All right. How to create a shape? You can write. So you will go to graphics, and here you have new layer. Now you will see the new layer is not active. Why? Because you have selected this clip. Make sure you haven't selected any clip. All right. Just click on any empty space on timeline. Now nothing has been selected. Now if you will go to graphics, we want to insert graphics, the new layer, and from here you can insert a rectangle. So that rectangle will be inserted in your project. Then you can change size as well, like this. All right, I can change its size. If you want to change its color, you can change color from here. So come down in effect controls, and here you can change its color as well. Like I want to make it red, so it will be red as well.
What is that? Just like a lion?
Yeah, I draw a rectangle and just convert it into line. Yes, I'm just making it to line. All right. So I want to animate this one. This time I want this should come from the down direction up. So when my text is there, so I want then line should come as well. So text animation, then graphic will come. If you will play, you can see that this one and this, but I want this line should come smoothly. So this time I will do from select this one and make sure shape is selected, and I want its position. So I will take it down till here. I'll keep it here, for example. All right. Then insert toggle animation position and move your cursor till where you want, and then just change it so it will come up like this. Right. Now you can see when you play, so you have text animation, then line came, then your picture will come. All right. Now when my picture is coming, I want not to show this line, so you can just reduce it. So just play, line came, and then you have this image. All right, and it will transparent and it will dissolve, and that how it will go. All right, so this is the main part of Adobe Premiere. If you will get to know, then you know animation, and any animation software you can operate. All right, but if you we have one easiest option also. All right, if you don't want to do this keyframe, we have transitions also. You can use transition instead of, but you don't have such control on transition. You have like in simple animation. For example, the same thing if we want to do with the transition, we can do also with the transition as well. For example, if you want to remove the keyframe, so I will select this shape and just go here and just remove this keyframes. And text animation also just select like this and remove this one also. So it's removed, and graphic we don't want also, I will remove, and just I want to animate text. All right, so I can write again, no problem. All right, so go again on the text and click here. So text animation with transition. Right, transition will give you not like specified effects only. So I'll click here, enter. So if you want to apply transition on text, so it should come smoothly. What you will do, just click at the edge of the clip, then right click and apply default transition. Yeah, then it will be cross dissolve, like only it will show you cross dissolve like this, text will come. And same here, you can also right click and apply default transition and text will go back as well like this. So this is the easiest way you can use if you don't want to use the keyframe. Same with the image as well. All right, if you have image here and you want to apply little animation, also you can just same click on the edge right here and apply default transition, then you will see, so it will have like this.
But only one animation, if there is
we have a lot of transitions you can apply on the clip. All right, only just keep in mind you can apply transition at the first edge of the clip or between two clips. So if you want to search transition, we have a lot of video transition. You need to go to effects here, and here you have video transitions. So a lot of video transition you can use. For example, we have page wheel, slide, so bend style, you can just drag and drop, or you will see it will come like this.
I have to drag it.
Yeah, all right, you have to drag and you have to apply it here like this. All right,
Apply it in the middle, yeah?
Yeah, wherever you want. All right, yeah, on the first edge or in the middle of two clips. Look, yeah, it's good. Okay, it will save your time. Look, then at the end, same you can also use slide, and from here like this.
And it's same, Mr. Saeed, same to that one?
Same video with editing.
Same process.
Yeah, same process for video and for audio, for video and other stuff as well. All right. So So it's your own choice. Sometimes this transition are useful, sometimes is animation is useful. On animation you have all control. If you don't want to use that animation, then here these are automatic. You have to apply, then you have to use. You don't have like all options to change here. All right, look.
Animation, we have option more.
Yeah, in animation you have control. All right, from where to start, where to end. From here you want this clip, this keyframe. All right, that's how you can use keyframe animation in